Hello, I'm Reddy from Zentilon. In modern manufacturing, CNC machining is increasingly vital, and aluminum stands out as key materials due to the unique advantages. Performance pros and cons. Aluminum is popular in CNC machining because it has some great features. It's very resistant to rust and can handle tough environments. It's lightweight but strong, which is perfect for products that need to be both light and sturdy. Compared to hard steel, aluminum is easier to cut, wears down tools less, and is cheaper to work with. It also works well with different surface treatment, which can make it look better and perform even better. But aluminum isn't perfect. It's not as strong as steel and can be more expensive. It shouldn't be used in very hot places, above 150 degrees Celsius, because it doesn't hold up well in high heat applications. Aluminum CNC machining parts are used in many industries. In aerospace, aluminum helps make planes lighter without sacrificing strength. In medical, aluminum can be used for surgical tools after special treatments to make sure they are safe in biocompatibility and the process. In electronics, aluminum is great for heatsink and cooling parts because it's light and can handle heat well. Aluminum alloys. At present, there are many types of aluminum alloys commonly used in CNC machining, such as 6061, 7075, 2024, 5052, 5083, 6063, 6082. Different types of aluminum alloys differ in composition, physical and mechanical properties, which makes them suitable for different processing needs and applications. We are focused on two of the most popular aluminum alloys, 6061 and 7075. Aluminum 6061. Aluminum 6061 is a popular alloy from the 6000 series, mainly made with magnesium and silicon. It's a versatile alloy with great strength and easy to work with. It's perfect for making car parts and vehicle frames that need to be strong but not too heavy. The magic of 6061 is in its Mg2C structure, which makes it super resistant to rust, especially after heat treatment, T6 condition. Aluminum 7075. Aluminum 7075 is from the 7000 series and has a lot of zinc. Aluminum 7075 has a lot of zinc, which makes it very strong but also more prone to rust. To protect it, we either add a layer of aluminum around it, called cladding, or give it a tough coating through hot anodizing. Because of these features, it's widely used in aerospace. In short, aluminum is a star material in many industries because of its amazing properties. Choosing the right alloy is super important to make sure your product is strong and work well. Zentilon is here to help. We specialize in aluminum processing, combining expert material selection with top-notch manufacturing. Our experienced team will turn your design into high-quality product. If you found this interesting, give us a thumbs up and follow Zentilon for more valuable content.